Welcome to Theory Thursday, where we will be having a theory every single Thursday of each month. For this month, we have the Banjaw and Platy theory. Thank you to Criterium for this idea. So my main part of this is that Platy and Banjaw look exactly alike. And most people have been thinking that Platy and Banjaw could be the exact same monster, but either decayed or died and then turned into Banjaw. Now let's go over the parts that could possibly lead to this. The first part is that its elements would have to change alongside its death. So Platy and Banjaw do not have the same elements because its fairy and bone element can't be the same. So I think when the fairy element dies down and turns into the bone element, the cold element melts and turns into the water element, which Banjaw has. The fire element stays the same. The earth element is just because he's a quad and he drops down after he dies in his weight. His weight is his elements and it drops down into a lighter form. The next possibility that could lead to it not being true is that Banjaw has a long bone neck, and his neck couldn't be crunched down like Platy does to release its sound. So the only possible way is if it dies, it somehow makes a bone. But that's not even possible. So the chances of this being true are extremely slim. But if there was a possibility, Platy's skull or skeleton would look like this, and then as it goes into it, these bones, they start to form together, and then they lead into making a Platy. One thing he also pointed out in the video, it has an air sac, like Platy has that air sac in that little part right there, which then could dry up and turn into a bone. And I'll see y'all on next month's